Namaste everyone. Silver Oak Academy and its journey, wonderful memories with me. On the occasion of Foundation Day of Silver Oak Academy, I wish all of you, those are involved directly and indirectly to make this Silver Oak Academy as a great education hub. All the best and the best wishes for journey ahead. Silver Oak Academy is a kind of baby to me, and you can all understand what I mean when we are talking about baby. So, what kind of care, what kind of love, what kind of affection we have when we say or we talk about a baby. So, same feelings I have for Silver Oak Academy. Silver Oak Academy is doing wonderful job in the industry of education, no doubt. And of course, this is possible because of the support of parents, students, teachers, and the management committee, management team. The dream which Mr. Shelke and the entire Shelke brothers they have seen has come true, and they are continuously working so hard to make this institution the number one in Shirdi. So I wish you all good luck and request you all to support and love Silver Oak Academy the same way, with same dedication and a passion the way you were doing earlier also. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Myself Anuradha Jitendra Sherke, one of the core member of Silver Oak Academy team. On this remarkable day, I remember many hands that have nurtured this sapling Silver Oak Academy Smart Kids, which now has taken a shape known as Silver Oak Academy, where beautiful minds are guided about how to think, express, and to be a responsible citizen. With the best academic plans and technology, children are made competent for the 21st century. Values are inculcated, which can be deliberately seen in each and every Silverite, which is the most important life skills needed for being human. In this journey, to fulfill the treasury to humankind, many names from my colleagues, well-wishers, students and parents are remembered, without whose support it wouldn't be an easy way. I remember when I was on my maternity leave, one of the parents visited my home and insisted me now it's time to rejoin, because he said, "Anu ma'am, you are mother of all the Silverites and should be back to school." The trust they shown, the ownership taken by the parents, a big salute to all my SOA family, as I consider it as one family, and family should always be extended. So always looking for the same support to grow together in future. There were many rejoicing moments, but prominently which I remember is during the CBSE affiliation time, when CBSE inspector quoted Silver Oak Academy is the best school that she has ever seen. The way Silverites speaks, presents that confidence, makes it a unique and outstanding school which is lacking in metropolitan cities too. Further, she added, Silver Oak Academy has international level speakers, and no doubt I am blissful that these are Silver Oak Academy's products, which in true sense are all-round developed personalities. Love you and always with you, Silver Oak Academy family. Thank you.
हॅलो एव्हरीवन. आपण सर्वांनी मिळून काही वर्षापूर्वी सिल्वर ओक अकॅडमीचं एक छोटंसं रोपटं लावलं आणि मला अभिमान वाटतो की सुरुवातीच्या काळात ह्या कुटुंबाचा मी एक सदस्य होते आणि त्या रोपट्याचं आज एका मोठ्या वृक्षात रूपांतर झालं आहे. त्यावेळी छोट्या रो हाऊसमध्ये सुरू झालेल्या ह्या शाळेचं आज 5 एकरच्या भव्य जागेत स्थलांतर झालं आहे आणि शाळेला CBSEची मान्यता पण मिळालेली आहे. हा वृक्ष असाच मोठा होत जावो आणि त्याचं एका वटवृक्षात लवकरात लवकर रूपांतर व्हावं ही साईचरणी प्रार्थना करते आणि वर्धापन दिनाच्या तुम्हाला सर्वांना खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. धन्यवाद.
My school, Silver Oak Academy, is my family because I never ever feel alone here. I still remember my first day in this school. I was just a foot shorter and scared to walk around the corners. And through the years in this school, I've been able to conquer my fears, face my obstacles, break my boundaries, and this has led me all to talk to you today. So, a very top of the rise to y'all. I'm Saisha Shinde from grade 10 of Silver Oak Academy, and today I'll be sharing with you the reasons why I feel very proud to be a Silverite. So, let's get going. So, here comes the first and the most important and the most precious thing of our school, which is teachers. Oh my god, they're just amazing because they just try their utmost to teach us well, and I'm very, very, very thankful for them. And they do not only teach the child, but instead they keep the child agile and active in both curricular and curricular activities. They are competent, they are talented, they are hardworking, they are loving, and they are really very, very caring. Even they teach us to respect elders, to be kind to others, to be honest, peaceful with others, forgiveness, truthfulness, and to be a human. Even our housekeeping staff, which is our nurses and those, they try very hard to provide us healthy, clean, and hygienic environment. So moving towards the next point, which is a very, very important point for me and even for my friends and even teachers and all the members or the family members of SOA family. That is that it is placed in such a holy place of Sai Baba, and I guess no one would be as lucky as such we are. Oh my god, it's so much lucky. And my school has beautiful multi-story building. It consists of around 20 spacious classrooms, 2 staff rooms, a library, a dance room, computer lab, and even a science lab. Yeah, our school provides co-education system where girls and boys study together. Yeah, our school has playgrounds for kids to play, a large assembly platform, even table tennis and badminton halls. And it's just all fun in our school. And even our school is placed in nature where we can take fresh breath instead of just cars pollution and all that noises which can disturb us. So it's very thank you so much for listening to me now. That's it. So have a good day ahead.
Hello everyone. Firstly, I would like to congratulate Silver Oak Academy for completing 11 years successfully in education field. Silver Oak Academy gives best education and healthy environment to students. The member of Silver Oak Academy always supporting to me and gives love. I really proud to be member of SOA family. Thank you and best wishes for future.
Hello everyone, myself Shreya Jitendra Sheki Padil, a Silverite from Silver Oak Academy studying in grade 9th. We celebrate that we are blessed with such beautiful surrounding and wonderful facility. We celebrate learning as we develop in mind, and we celebrate bond that we share with past and present members of Silver Oak Academy. My school is incredibly unique. It is surrounded by trees and plants which makes me feel so fresh when I enter the campus. There are so many different kind of people that each bring something really special to contribute to school, which makes it so unique. It is not just my school, it's absolutely my home away from home. I feel happy to be a student of Silver Oak Academy. My teachers know me and I feel that I can easily communicate with them. My school offers so many different opportunities to get involved in things around campus. Our teacher encourages us to participate in competition which boosts us. I figure out how I learn best as my school offers so many different ways of learning. वो भी क्या दिन थे जब हम स्कूल में पढ़ा करते थे। टिफिन किसी का भी हो साथ बैठकर खाया करते थे। एक की गलती पे सजा सब लिया करते थे। वो भी क्या दिन थे जब हम साथ में रहा करते थे। In this pandemic situation, it was not possible to go to school, but our teachers still taught us by online platform. I really love how passionate our teachers are to teach us and how we are always ready to learn. I feel so happy to tell you all that I have enjoyed most of my amazing memories in Silver Oak Academy. I love Silver Oak Academy. Thank you.
Being connected to SOA family, I observed that I learn something new every day. Here, I work not only because I am told to do so, it's because I want to do. After joining SOA, I found a different me who is much more creative and much more active. I am so happy to be a part of SOA family.
Hello everyone, I'm Shruti. I'm honored to talk about my school. It is our school's foundation day today. In this journey of years, our school has created students bright, talented, and confident. I find myself under the supervision of cooperative, kind, and talented teachers. I like the libraries and the classrooms because it feels like I'm not sitting in a classroom. It feels like I am at a fun place where I can learn new and interesting things. I even love the events and the competition organized by our school because each and every child get the chance to participate and to boost their confidence. I remember that when I had joined the school, I wasn't confident. I used to cry, but my teacher helped me. They helped me to boost my confidence, and now the school is like a family for me, where we all have created a lot of memories, valuable memories, and I wish a sweet and beautiful success for this school. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sarthak Tomre of grade 10 from Silver Oak Academy. Today I am feeling so proud to speak about my school who has given me a lot to learn, a lot to develop, a lot to find in myself. I have represented my school at many stages and increased my confidence. As my school has given me this much things, so it's my first and foremost duty to give a return gift to my school in the form of making my school proud of myself and shining its name everywhere. The best thing I like about my school is it quickly adapts to the social changes, and it doesn't focus on a single student, but it considers that every student is equal and has the right to answer and ask. In these situations of COVID too, my school didn't stop to educate, but it continued to educate, as its first priorities are to lead and manage students' relationships, parental relationships, and community involvement. I feel that my school's name should be written in golden words. Thank you.